Welcome to Cityview, elevated living on South Hill, just 1 block from the Ithaca Commons. Apartment 2N is a studio apartment on the 2nd floor. Let's head on inside. As you enter, you'll see your galley-style kitchen on the left with a dishwasher, an electric oven and stove, a microwave, and a full-size refrigerator. Moving on, you'll notice the hall closet, which has 2 doors, offering plenty of storage space. Every studio has 5 pieces of furniture, a bookshelf, a desk and desk chair, a dresser, and a full-size bed. One unique feature of Cityview is the tall ceilings and large windows that let in lots of natural light from this north-facing apartment. Each apartment has an air conditioner and a heating vent. Another unique feature is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up, or Uber Eats. And finishing with the bathroom, you'll have a nice, spacious bathroom with a little extra nook, a shower and tub combo, and vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. Electricity is your responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to Cityview 2N. Call us today for availability.